Hey everybody, so I heard there's a few requests for a tutorial for this wrap, and I thought I would come on and show you how I did it. Okay, to start with, I am wearing a Windy Beret Volumizer. This is the one I was wearing in the photo, so I put this on. It's about half stuffed, and then I've got my hair in there, so that would probably be about 2/3 stuffed. All right, now I'm going to be taking this scarf and folding over the front edge because I don't want to see the stitching. I'm going to be putting it on my head with one long tail and one short tail. The short tail I want to make long enough so that it can come up and tie the knot where I want it. Okay, I'm grabbing from the back and pulling forward. And as a cheat, I noticed where this motif was, that's ends up being right on top of my head. So this orange motif, orange and white motif, use that as a little bit of a cheat. I pulled it up a little too far. Okay. All right, and then I grab it one more time. I don't want to cover up the orange. Okay. I'm grabbing and gathering because this scarf is very wide, like so. I'm crisscrossing in the back, no knots. Okay. Crisscrossing. The short end goes over top of the long end. You can see. Here's the long end underneath, the short end over the top. All right. I'm opening up the tail, the shorter tail, and I want to make sure I tuck this short bit inside and fold it neatly like so. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Like so. All right. I'm going to bring up the long tail towards the back, towards the fluff. Okay. Then I'm going to bring up the short tail. I want the short tail to come up in the front. You can see, here's the long tail in the back, short tail in the front. I want to keep it nice and flat and neat, not too bulked up. And then I'm going to take the short tail over the long tail, reach through the opening, this opening here, and bring the tail through. Now when I cinch it, I don't want to be too tight. I'm going to leave this open right there. I'm taking this piece of the short tail and I'm bringing it over lightly. It's nothing's pulled too tight. Everything is very, very loose, and just tucking it in to that channel behind. And then adjusting the twist at the top to be where I wanted it. Pulled it a little bit, and then I opened up the tail. You can do this like so. Making sure it's nice and full. And then this is pretty much it. And it gives a nice dramatic cascade with being a super simple wrap style. All right, I will show you the back really quickly because it should be nice and neat and pretty. If it's not, then I will fix it, of course. But yeah, this is the wrap. All right, have a wonderful day. I hope you've enjoyed the video.